What a difference. As nice as the days have been, now look at it. Cold rain. This is spring in Missouri. Sounds like I said misery. Actually, I did. Right now it's 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Is what the thermometer in the car and the Gladstone Weather Channel thermometer says. Doctor's visit for these rugrats, not me.
I'm not a rugrat.
Yes, you are. You're a rat of the rug.
A rat of the rug?
Coffee goes without saying, and I need it bad too. Getting snackies for movie night here at HIV. We didn't come for any necessities, we just came for snacky stuff. It's been a stressful week. Now it's time to get our dinner for tonight. Fish. And the last thing we do is we're getting dinner. It's Friday and we're cataholics, so fish.